how to create a floating effect in Premiere Pro. So we have a shape here and a background. If we click on the shape and move over to Effect Controls, click on Position, Scale and Rotation to create our first keyframes. Making sure your object clip is selected, press Shift and the right key 6 times. This equates to 30 frames. Double click the object, we can manually change the rotation, the size and the position. And same again, back to the keyframes, press Control or Command on Mac and the right arrow key 6 times to move along 30 frames. Repeat the same steps a few times and then group the keyframes. Press the arrow on Position, Scale and Rotation so we can see the movements mapped out with the graphs. Now making sure the keyframes are still selected, right click any one, go to Temporal Interpolation and choose one of the settings. I'll go for Continuous Bezier. As you can see, that smooths out the movements. Now all that's left to do is copy the keyframes and paste them on. Press Control or Command and right arrow 6 times, then press Control or Command V, paste it there. So let's roll that back and play it from the top. That's how to create a floating effect in Premiere Pro.